In this tutorial, we'll see how to use template lookup plugin. Template lookup plugin applies Jinja2 templating to a file content. This renders templates using Ansible variables. So this will read the variables and renders the template like the template module. So this is having multiple options like comment start and end string. Template var, we can pass the variable manually within the lookup plugin, and we can even define variable start and end string. We'll take a look into all these options. Let us start writing the code. Here I already have a file ospf-conf.j2. We have created this file during the demo of Jinja2 templating, and this is reading the variables from inventory, group vars, routers, and routing protocol vars. This contains all the variables. So it is reading from this particular dictionary ospf vars and generating the ospf configuration. Now we'll try to use this particular template within the template lookup plugin. So let us start writing it. First we need to give lookup and then template, comma, the file name. File name is ospf-conf.j2 and save it. We'll try running the playbook. Now this is generating the configuration by reading the Ansible variables. Now if you want to apply a filter to this, you can give upper, or I'll take a copy of this. I'll give upper. Now this will convert all the string into uppercase. After reading the template, we are able to apply a filter as well for the string. Now we'll see how to apply comment start and end string. I will comment these two lines. Here I will add a comment. I'll give hash save it. Now within this we will add comment start string equal to, and I'll give hash comment end string equal to hash. Save it. Now we'll try running this. Now this is trying to skip the comment part. Now I'll give an open square bracket and close bracket. And here also we can change the value. Now this lookup plugin is able to skip the comment part. Now if you want to pass a custom variable, I'll add another variable called net2, and all these values will keep as default. Now if you try running this, you'll get an error saying that variable net2 is undefined. Now if you want to pass this variable manually from here, I'll give template underscore vars, and then we need to give a dictionary, and within the dictionary need to give net2, and I'll give 192.168.100.0. Save it. Now we'll try running this. So now this is even adding Okay, both are 100. So let me change this to 101. So now this is adding variable from template vars. Now we'll see how to change the variable start and end string. I'll give variable start underscore string. Here instead of double curly braces, I'll change this to square bracket and a percentage symbol. And here I'll give end string and I'll close the bracket, save it, and now we'll try running this. So now this is printing the text as it is because we don't have this variable start and end string defined. So we'll try changing it. For the net 2, I will give square bracket and percentage, save it. We'll try running this. So now this is changing only this variable because it is trying to match this for variable start and end string. In this way you can use template lookup plugin.